Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the Rev It Up Revival car show in Kingsland, Georgia. Unfortunately, we just kind of did a drive-by on this car show because we got there late, and as we passed by it because we missed the turn the first time, and as we were coming back to it, a bunch of the cars were leaving. So it's like, sorry guys, we kind of got here late. So we just kind of did a couple of passes by and got what video we could get and just kind of called it a day on that one. Unfortunately for the event, they didn't really publicize it very well because I didn't find out about it until Thursday before it happened. So I know if I didn't find out about it, there wasn't very many car enthusiasts that found out about it either. So it definitely suffered from a lack of advertisement because it was a beautiful day when it was going on. So it wasn't weather. It was just kind of one of those weird little quirks of advertising. It didn't get out there far enough, fast enough, whatever you want to say. But we did at least go by and we did at least look. We didn't really stop and hang out. But, I mean, sometimes that happens, guys. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you don't, just pass on by. Go to the next one. Check the next one out. It's probably better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Here at Xfinity, we know they're still good in keeping some things the same. That's why
you seen anything?
With a 5-year
There's a couple cars there.
internet, it means no matter what
Don't know that it's worth stopping
get
though.
5 years
No, I don't think so.
with our best equipment included. For a price that stays exactly the same. Surprised? Life is full of them.
Probably turn around right there.
5 years, guaranteed.
The hell, that one just left from down here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, the little
Slow roll.
yeah.
Ah, shit. I lost it, son. Shit. It just went blank to the screen. Why don't you just use your video camera? Are you on the selfie stick?
No, this will be fine.
Or pull in there and take pictures, dear. Pull in there and take pictures, dear.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Redline Revival car show in Kingsland, Georgia. Really wasn't much of a show because we really didn't stop, so it is what it is, guys. Some you win some, you lose some. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.